Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, as you can see by the title, this is a review for the DIYChoose store. So let's get started. So the first one that I have is a cross stitch. It's a 14 count. It's 42 by 31. And it's called Bird's Love Nest 2. And it does have some back stitching in it. Quite a bit of back stitching. Let's take it out of the bag and see what is in here. This one was $7.39. So very inexpensive. It does come in the lovely Joy Sunday bag with all the instructions on the back. You flip it over so we can actually see the picture. It says, having a place to go is home. Having someone to love is family. Having both is a blessing. Isn't that just beautiful? I just love this. Gorgeous. And it is a partial. It does have back stitching in the background and around most of these flowers and leaves and everything, so it has great definition. See how many colors it has here. It has a few. Looks like 29 colors. So you have your full stitch here. Let me flip it over again. You have full stitch up here. You have 3 different colors of French knots, but they're all included in that up there. And you have 9 different back stitches. So 29 colors. It has B5200 and 310 black. No 823, no 939. Does it have some 3371? No, it does not. So, very nice. I just thought this was just precious, but that back stitching's gonna take a hot moment. Yeah. Okay, speeding right along. Let's take a look at the colors. So there's a few. Just a few. It does come with 2 needles. It comes on this lovely card. The red numbers right here, let me pull it up just a little bit. The red numbers mean how many full or half threads it has. Then you have the DMC numbers running along here, and then the numbers closest to the thread are the thread color numbers. So very nice. And it does have the product number that was on the front of the pattern. So we have pinks and greens, and here's your tannish brown. Some, looks like Wedgwood blue. Some light yellows. There's your B5200. Over here, here's our 310. More greens, kind of autumny-ish colors. Does have some dark navy in it, and a darker brown over here. So very nice colors. Very lovely. Just lovely. I love that. Put that up there. That back stitching though is going to be a hot moment. Let me show you something here. And it does show you where to put all the back stitching on the paper pattern. Paper pattern symbols will not match what is actually on the canvas. But you can look here for your, what do you call it? For your back stitching and where to put it. And yeah, very nice. Nice canvas. And all those little red, I don't know if you can see that, all those dots, those are your French knots. There's 2 blue here. I'm not sure what is going on over here. I don't know. I don't know if that's where the back stitching for the words start or what. I'd really have to study the pattern. But yeah, it didn't look too complicated. I'm looking for my deal. It is serged all the way around. 42 centimeters or 16.5 by 31 centimeters or 12, almost 12.25. Actual picture size is approximately almost 9 3/4 inches and a little under 24 centimeters that way, 34 centimeters this way, and a little under 13.5. So not too bad, not too bad at all. And there's not a whole lot of stitching, you know, I mean, it's not too, as far as it goes, cross stitch. So very nice. I just love it. And it does have the product numbers that were on the front of the pattern and the name of it on here. Nice canvas, very well printed, so very easy to see. Let me fold that in half just so we have something behind it so you can actually see and not see through it. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Yeah, I look forward to starting that one. I really like it. I like this one too. Okay, get it out of its baggie. Alright. Let me flip it over. Okay, I'm going to put a picture here. Alright, and that way you can see it. So it is another one of the stained glass ones. There is a postage stamp size picture there. That's why I gave you a picture. So it has a fairly good size pattern. I mean, it's very easy to read. This is an 11 count. It is 50 by 50. And it was $13.09. And it does have how many squares per square. It's 190 squares by 190 squares. But very well done on the pattern. There's no smears. Oh, there's a little bit up here, but you know that all that is your background. And I'm assuming, yes, I assumed right. It is 310 black. So you know all that is your black background. But there are no other little blotches. So I would just ignore that part. So we have 310 black, 498 red, 550 purple, 666 red, 823, which is a dark navy, no 939, and no 3371 or 3865. So they must use another color for white if they need it. But very well done pattern. Does have a few blotches in the margin. They should clean that up a little bit, but I think they're pushing these out as fast as they possibly can. But the rest of the pattern is just perfect. I mean, you can see it just clear as day. Very nice. Okay, it does come with a toolkit. We have the jaguar, or no, it's a leopard. He has spots. Laura, get it over it. We have 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and a needle threader. So, very nice. Put it right there, so you can see the leopard. Yeah, haven't had too many of those. We're starting to get them, though. So, the threads are all packaged up together. It does have a sticker with how big it is. Let me just pull you down. How big it is, and the product number. So that's very nice. Alright, let's get these colors out of here. Get rid of that bag for a moment. So, let me go back. Alright. You have 3 skeins of what I'm assuming is 310 black, 310 black, and 310 black. Let me just lay that up there. Look at all those beautiful colors. Oh, man, I'm loving these stained glass ones. I keep collecting them 1 or 2 at a time. I really like the roses and the, what do you call it? The roses and the tulips. in the stained glass. And I do have another one of these owls, so they have a whole set of owls now. So yeah, but this is just a kaleidoscope of lovely, beautiful colors. Look at those blues and teal. Ah, gorgeous. And we have some coral and bright yellow. Then over here, it's just unbelievable. Lots of cheery colors. Well, my winter is not going to be dark with all these cheery colors that I'm getting. So very lovely. More blues, greens, got some brown, and some, it's kind of a gold. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. And even some hot pink. Some more beautiful colors. There's your 550 purple. 310, it only has one strand because you have 3 hanks, which is 120 strands of it over there. And this is your 498. Just beautiful. And this is 666 red. 666 red. Holy cow, if I could just say it. But look at that kaleidoscope of colors. Isn't that just stunning? Oh, well, let's not leave these guys out too, because it's just beautiful. I can't stitch fast enough on these, you know, because as soon as I'm doing one color, well, I want to use yellow. I want to use the pink, or yeah, this goes on all the time. So, you know, you try to force yourself through one entire thread is something else. What can I say? I don't know what's wrong with my throat today, but we need a drink. Hang on. Oh my goodness. And then we'll look at the canvas. The canvas is serged. We also get an instruction page, which I forgot. It's the same as what's on the back of Joy Sunday. It does show you how to stitch, how to start, how to pick your threads, how to wash it, and then iron it when you're done. Very nice. Very nice. Let's cut these. Hold on, gotta grab my scissors. Get all these fuzzy wuzzies off. Because, yeah, they get hooked up in the thread when I start stitching, and then things go awry. Okay. I don't know why this looks so weird. I guess it's an owl. I saw, I'll tell you, I don't know if you saw that or not. Do you see that? Well, it's kind of bizarre. It doesn't even look... See, this part looks like the owl's stomach and then his eyes. But at the top, I don't know, maybe it is. I don't know, it just looks weird to me. I don't... Let me look at something. Yeah, I guess that part was there. It's just very strung out. I guess that's going to be that, oh, what is it? Color number 3846. It's like a dark or medium turquoise up there. So it just looked funny. I thought, oh my gosh, they gave me the wrong kit. Does have the stitching, doesn't, just barely grazes the numbers, but on this one your paper pattern will match your canvas, so that's a good thing. Very nice, darkly printed. I'm going to fold this. We're moving, and I'll try to hold it as still as I can since it's an 11 count. Very easy to see. It does have some confettied areas, and then there's others that are like rivers of color. So I don't think it'll be too bad to stitch. The big main deal is going to be putting that 310 black in there so that all those beautiful colors just pop right off the canvas. It'll just make it for it. So don't skip that part, even though you probably want to, right? Been there, did that. Alright, so it is a little bit over 50 centimeters that way. And a little, it's like 50.5 this way, or 19 3/4. Actual picture size is 17 inches, or a tad bit over 43 centimeters. And it is, I've got a piece of, that was probably me. That was that orange I took out the other day out of something. Alright, so it's almost 43 3/4 centimeters, if you will, or 17 1/4 this way. Let me make sure. Nope, I did move the thing. Hang on. It is almost 17.5 inches, or 44 centimeters. So it's square-ish, but very nice, very big. I love the big areas because I can just put something on and watch it and just stitch. But I don't love these big areas. I get bored. Right here, this is where I get bored. But if I can use a couple of threads and get, you know, rid of all that red, or all the pink, or all the ones over here, you know, it's kind of mindless stitching, you know, but yet, you know, you got to pay attention. There's a little bit of confetti here in the center hoopty there, but not seeing, and there's just a little bit right down in here and a little bit right there. So very nicely done, but very well printed, very easy to see. That's what I love about 11 count, man. Some days that 14 count, I got to be in the mood, you know, so that's why, you know, I don't do a lot of 14 count. But if it's pretty cut and dry, you know, we're good. So very nice, very nice. So that is all I got from DIYChoose. If they have any specials, I will put that in the description box below. They do have diamond painting, cross stitch, beaded cross stitch, and embroidery. They have custom. They also have a separate Joy Sundays category, and they have paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all those things that I just listed. And free shipping on orders over $39. And if I do believe I have a discount code, I will put that in the description below. Thank you for joining me. Thank you, DIYChoose, for sending me these beautiful kits, which we'll just have to abruptly start, of course, right? Alright, guys, thanks for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.